Okay, so good day grade 6. So this is an additional information or additional facts regarding when we encounter repeating decimal or yung answer natin is nagre-repeat lang siya. So for example, we have here 1 and 1/10 divide by 3. So first, mag-attach tayo kaagad ng ating decimal point. And then we will now divide. So 1 divide 3 cannot be, therefore gagamit tayo ng 2 digit dito. So 11. So 11 divide 3, we have here 3. Then 3 times 3, we have here 9. And then subtract. So 11 minus 9, we have here 2. And then since cannot be sila, or 2 divide 3 cannot be, we will add 0. So ito yung procedure or ito yung rules when regarding in dividing decimal. And then we will bring down 0. 20 divide 3 is equals to 6. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. So subtract. We have here 2. Next, 2 divide 3 is equals to 6 ulit. 2 divide 3 is equals to cannot be or cannot be siya. So we will add 0. 20 divide 3 is equals to 6. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. Subtract. Then meron ulit tayo ditong 2. So as you notice na nagre-repeat lang tayo dito. So add ulit ng 0. Then bring down 0. Divide. We have here 6. And then repeated. So hindi siya matatapos or walang katapusan. Therefore, the answer here is 0 and 3, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, or let's say it is repeated. So 0 and 3, 6, 6, 6. So nagre-repeat lang siya. Or last time I discussed na naglalagay tayo ng bar line sa taas ng number to represent that the numbers or the decimals is repeated. So now, the next step is we will now multiply the decimals by 100%. Since last time, in our discussion now is percentage of increase and decrease. So 0 and 3, 6, 6, 6 repeated, so on. So walang katapusan. So therefore, kapag minultiply natin siya into 100 or 100%, we will have here 36 and 6, 6, 6 repeated na decimals. And since repeated siya, therefore, the next thing to do is we will round off the decimal para makat or ma-end yung pagre-repeated or para presentable siyang tingnan. So 36 and so ira-round off lang natin ito by the nearest hundredths. So therefore, we have here 67%. So dapat lalagyan ng percent since our lesson is percent of increase or decrease. So that is an example number 1. Okay, so let's have another example. So what if meron naman tayong 6 divide 36? So in this case, 6 cannot divide by 36 since it is cannot be. So mas maliit yung number 6. Hindi natin siya pwedeng mahati. So therefore, the rules here is we will add 0. And then, syempre, don't forget the decimal point. So meron na tayong 60. So 60 divide by 36 is equals to 1. So meron tayong 1. And then, attach na pala natin yung decimal point. Next is 36 times 1, we have here 36. then we will subtract. So 60 minus 36. So 60 minus 36, we have 24. Then 24 divided 36 is cannot be, so therefore we will add 0 ulit. So 240 divide 36 is equals to 6. 36 times 6 is equals to 36. 36 rather. So 36 times 6 is equals to 216 rather. So 216. So subtract 240 minus 216. So 240 minus 216 is equals to 24. Therefore, we will add another 0 and then 240 ulit siya. So 6 ulit. Then we have here 216. Subtract, we have here 24. So as you notice, nagre-repeat lang tayo dito. So this is a repeating addition. So 0, 0, then we have here 6, then we have here 216, then 24. So paulit-ulit lang. So this is an example of repeated decimal. So now, since our quotient is 0 and repeated, so 1666, so repeated siya, or lalagyan natin siya ng bar line to represent that these decimal numbers are repeated. So the same process kanina, so i-multiply natin siya by 100. So 0, 666 times 100 is equals to, or we will move 2 decimal places. So 1, 2. So 16.666. So repeated pa rin. And then i-round off natin siya by the nearest hundredths. So therefore the answer is 16 and 67. So percent, since our new topic is percent increase or decrease. So lalagyan natin siya ng percent. So yon. So ganyan yung pagkuha niya. So yon. Okay, so let's have another example. So in this case, hindi siya repeated decimals. But the case in here or the situation in here is nagre-repeat pa rin tayo or wala pa rin siyang katapusan. Rather, hindi siya repeated yung ating quotient, but wala pa rin katapusan yung procedure or yung pag-process ng ating pagsosolve. So here's the example para mas malinaw. So 0 and 9/10 divide 13. So since maglalagay na tayo dito ng decimal point, yan, and then we will start divide. So 0 divide 13 is cannot be, so automatic maglagay tayo ng 0, then 13 times 0 is equals to 0, so subtract, then same procedure lang kung ano yung ginagawa nating normally na pagdi-divide. So 9 divide 13 is equals to 0, so cannot be pa rin. So 13 times 0 is equals to 0. Then we have here 9. And then we will add 0 para maging compatible na siya. So 90 divide 13, we have here 6. So 13 times 6 is equals to 78. Subtract. 90 minus 78 is equals to 12. And then we will add 0 ulit since cannot be pa rin. So 120 divide 13 is equals to 9. 13 times 9, we have here 117. So 120 minus 117 is equals to 3. And then since cannot be ulit, add 0. And as you notice na palaging nagiging cannot be, since this is wala rin siyang katapusang procedure. So 30 divide 13, we have here 2. 13 times 2, we have here 26. Subtract. So we have here 4. So cannot be ulit siya. So mag-a-add ka ulit ng 0. So therefore, pwede na tayo mag-stop siguro. So it depends sa atin kung kailan tayo mag-i-stop dividing when na-notice na natin na this is non-repeating decimal pero paulit-ulit pa rin yung procedure niya, or cannot be lang siya ng cannot be. So therefore, if we rewrite the quotient, so meron tayong 0 and 0, 6, 9, 2, so on, since never ending or walang katapusan. So therefore, maglalagay lang tayo dito ng 3 dots. So the next step, if may encounter natin to sa percent of increase or decrease, so i-multiply natin siya by 100%, di ba? So 0 and 0, 6, 9, 2 times 100. So therefore, meron tayong, so mag-move 1, 2. So meron tayong 6 and 92 hundredths. Now, so to make it generally or para mas madali, we will round off din. So magra-round off tayo. So i-round off lang natin siya. So yan. Then we will have 6 and 9%. So yan. Ganun lang kasimple.